Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So these are Canva templates, and just click on this plus menu button. And what are you going to design? You're going to write what you want to create, and just click on this YouTube thumbnail here. Just click on it, and this is it now. Okay, Canva is loading our design. Okay, guys, let's wait. Okay, so here on the Canva has amazing template already done for us. So you can just choose one and just what and just customize to our own. And note those one that are pro, they are profession. If you are not a profession, you cannot use them, but then I can take over. They are free fashion that we can customize easily. Okay, now for example, so this one now, wow, authentic Thailand. Let's take this now, and we're going to customize this within our own field. So this is it now. You can customize anything here, anything. So you want to change this, you can change this, you can change this person. I just click on replace. So I'm going to replace this my mother open his mouth now. Okay, just go to your gallery and you're going to replace this. Click on your gallery for first uploaded, and you're going to choose your, let me come to mine, if it is your image, just remember where you put your pictures are. So I'm going to come here. Okay, this is my pixel, and I'm going to choose the picture that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one now, and I'm going to add to page. We can see you can use the hand to do it very well, and you can crop it there. You can see you can crop it very well, and you can change it. Let me change this to edit now. Okay, the circuit. Alright, sorry, it's supposed to be like this. Alright, just click, put your hand here. If you want to edit anything, put your hand here, and you clean this. Okay, the circuit, you see. So I want to resize this to now. Just use your hand to resize it like this, and use your hand to make it be on the one line. You can use this one now to just, you can see, to move it. I'm just going to use my hand to move it here now. Click on it and move it very well. I'm going to change the font of this thing now. Just come here, change the font. And I don't like that font, so just go and search and browse to your font. Okay, I'm using this legs pattern. I don't want this. Alright, let me use this. Oh, this is so bad. Alright, this is Alice. Okay, I like this, so I'm going to resize it now. Alright, you can resize it here now. You can resize it. You see, I want to move it, and this button here is for you to, you can see, to set it very well. Just okay now. So I'm going to move it here. The circuit, yes, I'm going to customize this one too now. I'm going to edit the circuit behind. Okay, this is now good. So I click on this and come here. And you can use the hand to do like this. You can see behind, it's okay like that. So I want to move this behind now. Click on it and move it. Move your behind here, and you can use this thing to set it straight. Just okay, behind. This is your you now. Behind a woman. You can see, just use this thing to do it very well. And I'm gonna move it here. You use this hand to move it. You can see, and you can now use this one to do it very well. Yes, let's do it. You can say a woman. Do you say? Now I want to change this color. I can change this color of this background here now. Just come here and click on the color, and now color. Oh, you will see, this is so lovely. The sequence behind a woman. This is it. Do you see? This is very amazing. Very amazing. Just click on this to set it very well. Use the hand to set it very well here to make it look more sexy. And you want to add anything like an element or anything, just click on this and click on element. I want to add an art like I love. Okay, just click on and search for art logo. This is it, and this is it here. Just click on any art here. Okay, just use the hand to size it very well. Use the hand to minimize it too. Just bring it here. Use the hand to minimize it for you to see the art, and bring it here. You can change the color of this art by clicking on the color here and click on word. You can see under the shape too. You can put shape, you can change it, you can see, it is very easy. You can see, and then let's put our art here now. Okay, if you want to write anything here, you can do anything. Just write child. You can see now I want to increase the text of the child so that you'll be able to see what I write very well. Just click on it, click on this your text inside it, mark it here. This is your text. I want to increase it. I will say it. Yes. Wow, this is it. Once you are done, just click on this button morning for you to download, and you click on download, and yeah, our Canva is downloading. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.